हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर व्लॉग। अभी जो है मैं घर वापस आ चुकी हूँ काम से और आज 4 दिन बाद मैं कुकिंग करने लगी हूँ बिकॉज 4 दिन में कुकिंग नहीं कर पाई क्योंकि इट वाज माय हस्बैंड्स बर्थडे। तो फिर उस वीक को हमने ज़्यादातर गंदा खाना ही खाया, मतलब बाहर से, जो आपके लिए बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं होता बट टेस्ट में बहुत अच्छा होता है। सो एंड नाउ वी आर जस्ट बैक टू आवर रूटीन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। सो अभी जो है मैं बना रही हूँ चिकन, शिमला मिर्च और आलू। I don't know if people usually make that, but this is something that my husband and I just wanted to eat. So मैं अभी वो कर रही हूँ। So उसके लिए मैं जो है सबसे पहले यहाँ पे प्याज को थोड़ा सा शैलो फ्राई कर लेंगे। थोड़ा सा जब ब्राउन हो जाएंगे तो फिर मैं इसमें चिकन डाल दूँगी और फिर मसाले वगैरह डाल के आलू भी डाल देंगे। गाइस ये देखिए ऑलमोस्ट रेडी हो चुका है और इट लुक्स सो गुड। एक स्टर फ्राई काइंड ऑफ डिश है लेकिन इसमें आलू भी डले हुए हैं। तो एंड इट हैज चिकन एंड बेल पेपर, टमेटोज, अनियंस, एवरीथिंग। आई विल टेल यू हाउ इट टेस्ट्स। और गाइस खाना तो बन चुका है लेकिन अभी जो है टाइम हो गया है। नान ऑर्डर किए थे, सॉरी, अपने हस्बैंड के लिए बिकॉज he did not want to eat roti, he wanted to eat bullet naan. So मैं just वो पिक करने जा रही हूँ अभी क्योंकि my husband's working, super busy guy. So he works for Korean company and obviously right now it's morning there. So everybody's up and working, so he kind of has to adjust according to their schedule. So around this time, if there are any chores, I would have to run usually. So that's what I'm doing right now. So चलते हैं नान लेने। Alright. Alright guys, मैं आ चुकी हूँ अभी अपने पेरेंट्स के घर और जैन यहाँ पे ही है और जैन के लिए I have a surprise for Zain. And Zain now is about to close his eyes. Close your eyes. Show everyone, close your eyes. Look here. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. What do you think it is? What is it? What do you think it is?
Yes.
Wow! What is this? Do you like it? Look here. Zanu, say thank you.
Thank you.
I love you.
Bringing gifts for Zain and not the बड़े बच्चे, हम भी इधर हैं।
I'm gonna-
Bee flies.
Yes, this is peanuts. Yes.
Oh, too shiny. Oh,
You like it?
open it.
Alara, do you like yours? Do you like yours?
मेरी बारी, मुझसे भी पूछो। हमें मिला ही नहीं तो हमें अच्छा कैसे लगेगा?
बूम बूम। चलो भाई, अभी अंकल की कॉल आ रही है, अंकल की कॉल उठाती, ठीक है गाइस। मेरी अम्मी जो है अभी, ये खीर है अम्मी, अम्मी ने खीर बनाई है क्योंकि आज मेरे तायबू का ख़त्म लगा रहे हैं। अम्मी कितने? 2.5 महीने की। यस जानू, हाँ यस। Zain has a bus. Show everyone, tell them. Zanu, what is it? Oh, look at that. Show like,
मेरी खूबसूरती का राज।
wow.
ले।
What is this, Zanu? Come.
Wheels on the bus शुरू।
Can you tell everyone what is this? Tell everyone. Say hello, guys. Zanu, say hello, guys.
Zain,
Hello, guys. Huh?
बाजी शू, बाजी शू।
You like it?
Zain,
You do like yours?
बाजी मोर, do you like हिपा बाजी मोर? वाह के बच्चे पहले आंसर कर। Do you like अफ़ा बाजी मोर or do you like हिपा बाजी मोर? Do you like अफ़ा मोर or do you like हिपा मोर?
Give his bus back. Wait.
ये मेरी हो गई। अब मैं
हिबा, ये ना बच्चों से लड़ लेती है। Yes, come here, Zanu.
Here, Zain, you can
Okay,
have my gift.
हिबा ये इसको खोल दे।
Okay, Zain, you can have this gift.
No, stop.
And I'll have that gift.
लड़ रहे हैं ये। Okay, I'll open it. मुन्ना खोल के दे।
दे मैं खोल के पहले से।
All done. Say all done. Go throw this in trash. Thank you. Bye. In trash. Guys, ये देखो, इसको इतनी अकल है, जाके good job. Can you throw this too? Go through this. Thank you. Thank you, Baba. Come here. Go. यहाँ पे सृजन भाई अपनी बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस देते हुए
हाँ ये चीज क्या बात है, बहुत अच्छे। ये बात ऑलमोस्ट वेरी क्लोज, बहुत क्लोज है। हाँ वेरी गुड।
बट्टा
अल्लाहु समद
पहना Lara, what are you doing?
ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى ولم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ولم يزل كيدهم في تضليل وأصحابهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تبت يدا أبي وتب ما أغنى عنه ماله يوم
Rolly, Polly, Munni, Polly, Chonni, Pani. What is this? What is this? Guys, जब मैं आती ना बच्चे मेरा जान नहीं छोड़ते।
शुक्रिया भैया।
ओए ज़ेनू, what did you do? Wow. Come from here. You can get up. Okay, you're good. Guys, ये इतनी शरारतें करते हैं ना बच्चे, इतनी शरारतें करते हैं, पता नहीं कहाँ से सीख के आता है ये। ज़ेनू, where do you learn these शरारतें from? ये कहाँ से सीख के आते बेटा? ओए, ओए, वाह वाह वाह। He's fighting. He's fighting with Cookie. Are you fighting with Cookie? Are you sad? Are you sad? Say, Hiba, here, take it. Oh! What? Did you say thank you after throwing medication?
I know it's this.
What?
This.
What is this?
Even that.
Cookie. हाँ मैं आई। मैं ना ज़रा पता क्या था, मैं आज अब्बू को देखने गई थी क्योंकि कल जो मेरे अब्बू हैं वो जा रहे हैं शिकागो। मैं घर गई थी।
Cheetown, baby, Cheetown, Cheetown.
हिबा?
Yeah, bro, you don't know MC Stan, bro?
Yeah.
You don't know
She town, but he says B town, right?
He says P-Town.
P, yeah,
P-Town, baby,
P-Town.
P-Town.
So अब मैं वो वर्ड नहीं बोल रही जो बोलना। हिबा को ऐसे ही लोग पसंद आते हैं।
Excuse, छपड़ी लोग?
Chopri. You cannot say that word. Like, you know,
Chopri?
people get like cancelled for saying that word.
Oh please, oh please.
It's okay. अगर एक छपरी दूसरे छपरी को बोल रहा है तो कैंसिल नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि ये खुद वही है, you know.
Excuse me.
Yeah, but guys, अभी जो है मैं अपने अब्बू को देखने गई थी सिर्फ। हिबा ने पता नहीं कौन सा ऐसा अपने वर्ड्स का जादू मेरे पे किया कि मैं इसको पिटेरियंस डाला ही आधी रात को। I have no idea. And I am on a diet. I can't even eat, but I brought her to eat food.
But she's also gonna have burger with me. But
No, I won't. I actually won't because I got that for Ammi. Ammi wanted that.
You didn't get any
No,
burger for
no,
yourself?
I do not want to eat anything. Like, not at all. Cause
So, एक second. How are you gonna get patli yourself and then मुझे तू burger खिला रही है?
that's on you, honey.
What do you mean that's on me?
Because you didn't eat anything in the afternoon.
वो भी है, guys.
I ate food. I was at work and my other sister, my skinny little sister, she fed me too much, so I can't have anything. And Hiba.
दिख रहा है आज आप ज़्यादा खा के।
No, seriously, no. I gained like 6 pounds, like just in this week.
There's
it was
no
my,
way, bro.
I'm
You look
not
so
even joking.
perfect.
It was my husband's birthday week. So this one day I had like pizza, and I had like 5 meals, and then like next day I had like 3 meals, like but bad meals. So it's been bad, guys. We're back to normal.
Bad meal for a baddie.
Yes.
You're supposed to do.
Ungur. Freaking hate that.
hate that.
I'm
Dummy ungur.
done. Anyways, guys, so this is what we're doing. I'm gonna drop her off and then go home. I have work in the morning, और सुबह मुझे दोबारा 6 बजे उठना है, and I am not in the mood for
Imagine
that.
waking up at 6 a.m.
हिबा नहीं, सुन. आज मैं वर्क पे गई हूँ ना. Around 10:30, I literally could not keep my eyes open. So I had to go in my car and sleep.
What?
Like seriously. And उसके बाद फिर मैं 12 बजे तो
रात को क्या कर रही होती है?
12 बजे मैंने कहा मैं जाऊंगी गाड़ी में, दोबारा सोऊंगी. मरीम कहती है हाँ फीफा आ जाओ गाड़ी में सोते हैं. उसको भी बड़ी नींद आ रही थी, उसके खुद के बेचारी की आजकल नींदें पूरी नहीं हो रही. सो हम गाड़ी में गए हैं. वो मरी है मेरी बहन.
हाँ बहन तू बोल ले सब.
उसने क्या बोला?
हम ना करें vlog.
क्या बोले?
पी कुछ तो बोला. She said something.
Okay, we couldn't hear you. Sorry, ma'am. Anyways, so guys, मेरी बहन है, उसको भी बड़ी नींद आ रही थी. वो कहती है कि आफीफा आजा गाड़ी में जाके लेटते हैं. गाड़ी में गए हैं तो बहन लेटी लूटी सोई कुछ नहीं है. उसने पता नहीं कौन से एक आदमी के व्लॉग्स लगा ले और वो देखती जा रही है. And then like the whole hour I was just listening to that guy on her vlog.
Guys,
So,
अब मेरी बहन का YouTube चैनल आ गया और ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि मैं कहीं कंट्रोवर्शियल बात ना करूं. So I just have to say ये सारे पाकिस्तानी जो छपड़ी ब्लॉगर्स हैं ना, they need to get out of my feed. So मेरी बहन को फॉलो करो because she's not छपड़ी whatsoever.
guys,
Follow
नहीं,
her.
I am chapri in my own ways, which is fine. I don't
अगर तुम चाहते हो कि हम
mind.
छपड़ी हरकतें करें और आप तो हमें तभी फॉलो करोगे. You don't mind.
I'm joking, guys. I'm not, but at the same time, I don't believe in judging people for being whatever they are.
Please. हाँ वही.
Is that us? Like they didn't give us like numbers.
हाँ हमें तो कुछ भी नहीं दिया.
Okay, guys, but like in आज हिबा का मील जो हम पे भारी पड़ गया है, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. देखिए लाइन देखें, वो पीछे तक, मतलब
So guys,
बिल्कुल पीछे तक.
Let me explain this to you. So मैं आपके ब्लॉग में आपको ही बात करने दूँ. आप शांति रख के बैठिए.
अच्छा, मैं बैठी हूँ.
ठीक है.
शांति.
Thank
हाँ,
you.
बोले.
ठीक है. So basically, because of the Texas floods, Texas में floods हुए थे बहुत गंदे, and it ruined a lot of things for a lot of people. It took some lives, and this is basically a thing where anyone who buys a meal from this fast food place, all that money would go to funding
Just
the
for
loss.
today, like if you buy anything from P. Terry's today, it's Austin based, guys, local. Anyway, so if you buy anything from P. Terry's today, the funds are gonna go to the flood victims. So yeah, so we are
So
here to
guys-
support the cause. Obviously, it's important to support your people, support your community. So that's what we're here for. And my heart goes out to all those people who are actually, victim of the flood. It's something I can't even imagine, like losing your home and family members. It's heartbreaking, but my prayers are with you guys, whoever is victim of that. So yeah, hopefully things get better. I know like it's hard, like easier said than done, but inshallah things will be better in future. So yeah, now we're gonna go pick up burgers and then go home, and that's about it. ओके गाइस, तो रात को तो मैं पेरेंट्स के घर से वापस आके सो गई थी और अभी मैं जा रही हूँ दोबारा उनके घर, क्योंकि मेरे अब्बू और मेरा भाई जो है वो आज शिकागो जा रहे हैं. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना ड्रॉप देम ऑफ टू द एयरपोर्ट. सो या, लेट्स गो. Alright guys, so we decided to get some coffee. We just dropped my Abu off. और ये लड़कियाँ मेरे साथ आ गई हैं कॉफ़ी पीने. We are planning Starbucks, but she actually likes Starbucks.
Well, Starbucks is addictive. Guys, we banned Starbucks, of course. We only get free stuff from there, like dishes, their bathrooms, spoons and stuff like
So in
that.
other words, she's a freeloader.
I'm basically freeloader. And then we're here at this Palestinian place supporting Palestinian businesses called Coffee. And I think it's really good. She doesn't like it because she likes
But yeah guys, so अभी मैं आपको कॉफ़ी दिखाती हूँ कि कॉफ़ी कैसी है. उसके बाद फिर I would just end this vlog because I think it's been running for 2 days now.
Really?
Yeah, I recorded yesterday and the day before yesterday. I cooked something, so I was just like, so and then I'll probably post this tonight, hopefully, and then we'll start a new vlog. Let's do that.
अब इसका अगला vlog तभी आएगा जब मेरी शादी होगी. So कभी नहीं.
वो जो हाँ, I was about to say. Anyways, guys, that's it. I'll show you the coffee and that's it. I said that twice, but it doesn't matter. Do I look weird? Do I look weird?
No, you look great.
You'll take different.
I feel like she looks like she crawled on the earth, but doesn't matter.
All right, guys. Okay, guys, look at this. Like, what do you think about this picture? Yeah, she's whatever, right?
What do you think about?
Just kidding. I just got my coffee at this new coffee shop. It's amazing. It's called Kofia. Coffee. How do you say it? It's Kofia? Kofia. And I'm gonna try their coffee. If I'm not gonna lie, it's actually really good.
Yeah.
I swear.
I got their
it's really
Spanish latte and it's really good. You have to try this. Wait, put your straw in here and try it.
I can try yours. Ooh,
That one's really good.
it
That
is.
one's
It
sweet,
is.
but it's good.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Abhika, try this one. Try this one.
Alright guys, so this is my vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.
Oh,
Bye.
this is that.